fucking plane, baby. The red light ain't no fucking plane. Holy shit. That red light's a drone. That's a drone. Baby, keep recording. Something's gonna happen. Let's see if this drone and the light get fucking. Something happens with it. Okay, can you see the red light on the video blinking?
Yes.
Okay, that red light is definitely a drone. I can see it. Okay, and that. Yep. Oh shit, dude. Wow. Yep, that's a drone. Okay, we have a drone in the sky checking out this fucking glowing orb. I can actually see the drone on the scope. I can see it. It's moving towards it. It's getting closer. It's going to investigate it. Holy shit, let's see if something happens where it's like the videos where this thing gets knocked out of the sky or more lights appear. The drone's going in to see it. Just for everyone who sees this video afterwards, I am looking through a high-powered map. That glowing light has been sitting up there for about 20 minutes now, stationary. Just seeing the planes go by it. Got like this place right in the planes gone by. Got it. Above it now. Just kind of getting over the view of it. Wow, this is cool. This is fucking experience, dude.
It's silence.
Yeah, it has no fucking headlight on it like all the airliners that fly over.
He come here.
Okay,
He come here.
Okay, 100% looks like a drone. I'm looking at
He
it.
come here.
It's alright.
He come here.
Yeah, he's right there. I'm gonna get a look at it. Yeah, oh yeah.
He come here.
That's alright, keep recording. So that's got no headlight on it like these commercial planes. Let's see if we can get a real good look at that fucking thing.
He come
Oh
here.
yeah, that's a fucking drone. Actually, that was like a military jet actually. That's probably why it doesn't have a headlight. I got a quick glimpse at it and that looked like a fucking jet. That's funny.